On the last 2 episodes of Sailing Kaya, we built the new hardtop Dodger with aluminum composite panels.
All right, so here she is done. She's got the panel on her.
Reattached our solar panel and then took her out in the Gulf to test it and see if there was any performance difference, which there hasn't been so far. We sloped the front of the hardtop down not only for drainage, but to help avoid any apparent wind resistance, and that seemed to work perfectly.
I seen it coming.
Getting backwinded up here.
This week, we installed an awesome new grill from Bunker Up Fishin, but not without an injury. I had to grind down the stainless mount a little bit to install the grill, and the grinder slipped on me and got my thumb pretty good. It hurt like hell, but it pretty much cauterized the wound immediately, so it didn't bleed much.
All right, we want to thank this week's sponsor, bunkerupfishin.com, for this awesome grill. All right, bunkerupfishing.com. Bunker Up Fishing, they get these awesome stainless steel, 100% stainless steel boat grills. They can do them for any boat. They'll fit any boat. They've got adapters for any boat, whether it's pontoon boat, regular boat, doesn't matter. They've got a rod holder mount, which is how we have ours mounted right here. And these things are great. They're 100% stainless. They've got an electric start. They hold a typical propane tank, or you can get a fitting and mount this to your propane locker. However you want to hook it up. Built-in thermometer. Open this clasp up. It's got a little locking clasp there. Large 246 square inches of grilling space on these things. Total dimensions, it's 19 3/4 inches by 12.5 inches. And a 12,000 BTU burner. Everything on here again is stainless. It's well built. It works great. We're actually going to cook up some hot dogs on it today. We've used it a few times. But super easy to install, super easy to clean, maintain. We've got to clean ours a little bit up right now. But again, bunkerupfishing.com. If you want one of these awesome grills, give them a call. You can get their website at bunkerupfishin, without the G at the end, .com. We will have the link posted down below, as well as right up here in the corner, one of these 2 corners. And you can go there directly. And they also are on Amazon, so you can find them there as well. And we will post both links, their direct website as well as Amazon, on the description of the video below, as well as on our website at www.svkaya.com/products. Again, we would highly recommend this grill if you are looking for a grill for your boat. These guys are awesome. Their grills are awesome. Can't say enough good things about them. You know, it's a grill. However, everything you need for a boat is here, and 100% stainless, so you don't have to worry about that. So again, bunkerupfishing.com. Thanks, guys.
Went out for a sail, and I went down into the cabin for something and found the floor flooded out. We were leaking while we were on a port tack.
Curious.
So we've got to figure out where that's coming from. That'll be coming up on the next
Ton
episode.
of water in here, and we have no idea where it's coming from. Oh yeah, look at that. That's just dripping. And we have no clue where it's coming from, but we do know it's coming from the stern somewhere. And on a port tack, we're not sinking. So that's good. Bilge pump works, yeah. That's a bonus. But it's definitely coming in at the stern somewhere. But we can't figure out where yet.
Make her heel over to the port side in the slip and start looking around.
That's true.
We don't, unless you have to be moving for it to happen.
Possibly. We can heel her over in the slip, though. I didn't even think of that. We can heel her over in the slip.
Yeah.
Okay.
Might not have communicated
That, no, that makes sense.
Yeah. It's just the port side heel that does it, then we can duplicate that. Even if we just have everybody get together and have a barbecue or, you know.
Yeah.
All right, now everybody stand over here while you're eating.
We kind of lost our wind, so we haven't really had much of a starboard side heel since we turned.
But you can make everybody sit over there while they're eating.
Yeah.
And you know, then crawl around.
You're gonna have a leak finding barbecue.
Yeah, you don't even have to tell them that part.
Just come hang out, and we're gonna barbecue on the boat. But everybody needs to sit on one side.
Yeah.
We're looking for we're tracing a leak.
I mean, people sitting over there is way easier than loading up a bunch of crap and sandbags. They're gonna have to carry them.